Welcome to Guusto. This is your dashboard. It looks empty right now, but this is where recognition will live. Before sending out a gift, let's add a recipient. On the left, under Workspaces, go to Manage Members. Here is where you can load in recipients individually or upload a list using our CSV template. To start, we're just going to add an individual. Select Add a Member, enter their email, select Confirm, fill out their personal information, including details such as their name, department, start date, and workspace access. Admins can also take advantage of Guusto's many HRIS integrations, which will automatically import all of this data. Once that info is added, select Confirm, and you'll see the new member listed. Now let's load your account with funds to send to your recipient. Under Workspaces, select Manage Funds. Here's where you can find 4 options to fund your account: email transfer, bank transfer, wire transfer, or credit card. When you load funds, you can select the amount and currency. Once you've loaded in funds, it will show up in your Workspace balance. Now that we've gotten the housekeeping out of the way, let's send a gift. You can send a gift 2 different ways. For a quick and easy way to send a gift, navigate back to the dashboard. In the Send Recognition bar at the top, select Gift or Send Recognition. Enter your recipient's name and they will populate the section automatically. Enter the amount you'd like to send. Select a reason for sending recognition. We've added some standard reasons to start, but you can customize these to reflect your organization's core values. Enter your message explaining why you're sending recognition and what the impact was in the organization. If you're looking for a hand in writing your message, select our AI assistant. Just provide it a quick note and let it structure your message with clarity and impact in mind. Add emojis, photos, GIFs, or PDFs to your gift for a personal touch. Under Optional Settings, you can select a delivery date, language, activity feed visibility, and notifications for the recipient's manager. Then send it. To try your other option for sending gifts, select Send Gifts in the navigation menu. On this page, you can fill out order details such as the merchant, value, and the number of gifts that you'd like to send. Preview these changes on the right-hand side of the page. Once you've filled out this info, select Next Step, Delivery and Recipients. On this page, you can choose the method of delivery for the gift that you're sending out. Fill out the recipient's details and schedule a date for the gift to be delivered on. If you'd like to be CC'd on the gift emails, check the box below the recipient section. Then select Next Step, Payment. On this page, you can review your order's details, your available account funds, and then select Confirm Order to send out your gift. On the Order Confirmation page, you can see your order summary and use the following options for delivery: print gifts, to provide physical gifts to recipients, export gifts, to send gift links using a separate system, and you can find both of these options in the order history page after recognition has been sent out. If you selected email or text message as your delivery option, no action is needed from you on the confirmation page. Before a Guusto gift can be used with a merchant, it must first be claimed and then redeemed. Claiming a gift to your account ensures that it never expires, and you can redeem it for a merchant gift card at any time in the future. If you already have a Guusto account, your gift may be waiting for you. Simply log in and go to Redeem Gifts to check. If your gift was emailed or texted to you, select Add to my account in the email or text message that you received. This will open a web browser. Type a short message to let the sender know that you've received the gift and hit Confirm. Your gift has now been claimed and added to your Guusto account. If your gift was printed or you have a URL or QR code, Enter the URL printed on your gift into the address bar of your web browser. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code if one was provided. Once you have claimed your gift card, you can proceed to redeem it. Select View Details for the claimed gift in your account. Enter the desired amount to redeem and select Browse. Browse the available merchant options and select the one you'd like. Please note, once selected, the merchant cannot be changed. Select View Gift Card. Here you'll be able to see the details of your gift card that can be used in-store and online. If you receive a printed out merchant gift card, you can use it like any regular gift card in-store and online. This is especially useful for less tech-savvy employees.